Had a large hailstorm hit my house on May 27th of 2024. Insurance company is denied, saying there wasn't enough evidence that large hail hit my house. My son happened to get some video. That's clearly 2 to 3 inch hail hitting my backyard. I'm going to run it through. Broke apart. That's 25 feet away. That's 2 to 3 inch hail. Let's look at the next video. Let this one run through a couple times. Let's walk through slow motion a little bit. And just getting pummeled by hail. Large hail. A lot of this is, again, back here is 25, 30 feet to the fence. That's large hail hitting. That's 1 to 2 inches in the back there. Pummeling, hitting everywhere, hitting the trim, hitting the fort, the grill, everything. They covered the grill, which is metal, but they wouldn't cover the trim, which is siding with paint. Here's the front yard on the same, I don't know, a few minutes later.
Damn, bro.
All right, I guess if they say it's not hail damage, it's not hail damage. Yeah, I don't think so. Need to get this thing re-reviewed.